Hello dear friends, there is a vacancy for staff nurse in Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute, Kolkata. So you can see staff nurse level 07, 106 vacancies are there. 106 vacancies are there. Unreserved 39 plus 4 vacancy. PWD 4 vacancy, unreserved total 39. SC 22, ST 5, OBC 26 and EWS weaker section, economically weaker section 10. Maximum age limit 35 years. So there is consideration age relaxation for SC, ST and OBC candidates. For detailed advisement, you have to check the website. Then the application form from 19/2/2021 already started from February 19 onwards and last date 18/3/2021. So this is a very good permanent post for staff nurse. All of you can send the application form. So staff nurse unreserved 39 vacancies, SC 22, ST 5 and OBC 26, EWS 10. Age limit not exceeding 35 years. Educational and other qualification GNM plus diploma in oncology nursing or BSc or post basic BSc nursing. Then GNM plus 2 years experience in minimum 50 bedded hospital after acquiring the above qualification. Should be registered with the Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council. No need of West Bengal Nursing Council registration. Indian Nursing Council registration is enough. Pay level, good pay scale. Central government pay scales are there, 44,900 to 1,42,400. So before going to the application, we need to read general instruction. Compensation or pay. Besides basic pay, the post carry usual allowances as admissible to central government employees of similar status posted in Kolkata. Application fee for unreserved EWS and OBC candidates 1,000 and SC/ST candidate 500. SC/ST candidate 500. PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of application fees. So interested candidates fulfilling the qualification and experience may visit the website. We can see in detail. So before March 18, you have to send the application. So age relaxation, there are 5 years for SC/ST, OBC 3 years, PWD 10 years, PWD plus OBC 13 years, PWD plus SC/ST 15 years. Government or semi-government employees 5 years. If you are working in semi-government also, you can apply. The government departments or autonomous bodies, PSUs, will have to produce non-objection certificate, NOC certificate. SC/ST, OBC, PWD candidates once entered at the time of online registration cannot be changed. So you should be very careful while typing the online registration form. Once you entered, it will not be changed. While applying for the above post, the applicant must ensure that he or she fulfills the eligibility criteria. The Institute Authority reserves the rights to reject any or all applications without assigning any reason whatsoever. So CNCI reserves the right to cancel or restrict, enlarge or modify after the recruitment process. For applying online application, you have to click here cnciexam.com. So you will reach Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute website. For new registration, you have to click here. Once you register here, you can log in with the candidates and candidate ID and password. So you have to click here for new registration for applying this post, and you have to read before starting registration. You have to have valid email ID and mobile number, credit card or debit card or net banking facility, personal details, valid photo ID, scanned or digital image of recent color size photograph with white background, image of signature, and if applicable category certificate, person with a disability certificate, date of birth certificate, experience certificate, qualification certificate, council registration certificate. Then you can proceed here. Then you will reach here you have to read and understand all these format here. Then declaration you have to sign, you have to tick here, then proceed. So you have to enter your name, everything you have to write. Select your post, select specialty. Very easily you can fill all this form, and you can pay your fees also. 1000 rupees for general category, and SC/ST 500 rupees. OBC also 1000 rupees. So you can apply before 18th March 2021. If you have any doubt, please message below. I will try to answer it. The syllabus of the given examination is not given here. I think you can study as per the AIIMS examinations, like that you have to study. Then what else? The examination center will be in Kolkata only. If you have done your vaccination, you can travel with no problem. So thank you. Please share this video to your friends. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you.